Look at that. That's a cheap brush. It's that time. Don't buy cheap brushes. Just noticed this brush I bought from Hobbycraft. I've used it once and I've washed it and they're just falling out. I think there was 3 brushes for I think about £6, so they're cheap, but I thought they felt decent quality to start with, but look at that, that's really bad. That is going in the bin. Rubbish. On today's Flowworks. So hard. And in today's video, we are going to be doing an abstract piece. Everything's abstract. We're going to try a ghost pour. Before we crack on with the ghost swipe, I want to try and get down a bit of a background colour on this canvas. Leave that to dry, and then we're going to come back and do the ghost swipe on top of that. Enough of me talking, let's get down to painting. With that result, put down like a base colour. I'm going to come back after this is dried and we're going to do like a ghost swipe up and down.
is just the worst part. I was in the man, but there was still no way. How was I to know that I was worse off? Keeping you around, that's why I go away. Feeling how it ends is just the worst part. I was in the man, but there was still no way. How was I to know that I was worse off?
how it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light track. There's still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick with you. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know it's the same as pain. Losing my mind, can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying again. Reason right, let's take our time and choose. Whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello. Sometimes, honey, me, you pour a little bit of gasoline. I burned out, so to speak. Come a little closer. Here's some disclosure. Do you mind to quit your pretending? Truth or false, the shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see, I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you denied it. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know it's the same as pain. Losing my mind, can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying again. Reason right, let's take our time and choose. Whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stick or jello. I got moves and make amends, but can't go through the same regrets. It could feel so good on mine. Love by love, again. And I know it's the same as pain.
That is it. That is going to be called Fallout City 2. I'll put a link to the description on the other one. The other one that I'd done, I didn't really like it initially. In fact, I absolutely hated it. And do you know what? That other painting has really grown on me and probably my favourite painting that I've created. So yeah, it's quite strange to hate something initially, but then it grows on you. And whereas other pieces that I've done, I've really liked initially, but now I'm not so keen. This one, I feel as though it's probably the same. I'm in a mixed bag, but I think that's because I really like the one that I hated previously. So I think this one's going to grow on me again. Just to quickly point out a few things. Reflection on this one I absolutely love. I love this abstract reflection with all the colours going in. Didn't really use that many colours, just a simple red, white and yellow. But combine that with the blues and these purples, you get a real sense of depth. Hope you like this one. Please share it on your social platforms if you can. That would help me out a great deal. Don't forget to tune in to the next video. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing next time. I'm going to try and do something completely different. Again, I just want to really experiment with my different paintings, but you're here to follow me every step of the way. As I say, I'm not practicing any of these paintings. I'm doing them live so you can watch them, so you can see how a painter will progress, I would say, sort of over time. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.